Hey, this is Trent Glasgow again with Trenco Construction. We're doing our second pour of 3 pours. And you can look around here. We've got things are starting to come together here on the job site at June Zayo's house in Oakcrest. You can see the water feature structure starting to come together. We're pouring the raised pad over here to the left. Right now it's going to have a dark gray band going all the way around on a step up, and it's going to have a diagonal stamping on the inside the band area, two brown colors with a dark gray outside stamp. And we're going to match all the wall cap. I think we're going to match it with a black wall cap. Everything's going to be stucco over here on this water feature. You're going to have 2 shear descents coming on both sides. It's going to be really, really elegant. Back here on the house, and the sliding glass door, there's going to be a very large patio cover, 14 by 25. It's going to have Roman columns on it. It's just going to be really have a wow factor in this backyard. So stay tuned. Next time we're going to we'll take a picture of pouring all this large area. We're probably going to have 10-12 guys out here pouring, and it's going to be a dust on stamp with a band. It's going to look really nice. So thanks for staying tuned with Trenco Construction, and we'll see you soon.